The police found a decomposed body buried in a backyard pit in Three Hills, St. Mary today. Family members confirmed that the body is 35-year-old construction worker Warren Henry, who suddenly disappeared from the community on Thursday. The police conducted a search of the pit upon the request of the man's siblings, who revealed that he went missing after a heated argument with one of his neighbors.
And we say, all right, we are come back yesterday to search. And we come in Sunset, one pit in the road, auntie. So I say, which party pit there? We can't find it. He said, right, so he pit there. So one head guy come and I say, dig right, so because I so he say pit there and the pit never done. Same time we see another man come with a little girl and we say, you and him? He worrying a friend, he say, yes. Me say, when last he come here? He say, last week. Me say, this pit was closed. He say, no. It was well packed with stone and dirt, but you can say it freshly packed. It freshly packed, but all the way up there, the guy don't so I watch the Rasta guy, I watch it. So till when he see the first way the car come in and disappear. And from that, all when we are going to evening, we don't see him.
The police are now searching for the neighbor who had the altercation with Mr. Henry.